In this video I'll be showing you how to trade the all-important non-farm payrolls number. Non-farm payrolls is the biggest piece of economic data that comes out each month, and it's from the United States. It's basically the change in the amount of people going onto the payroll, basically. It's the amount of jobs created into the economy. The data comes out on the first Friday of every month. That's very important that you remember that. It's the first Friday of every month, and it comes out at 1:30 PM UK time, so GMT. What we have here is a chart of the Euro USD. Euro USD is probably the best pair to trade when trading the non-farm payrolls data. And the best thing to do, the best way to trade news, is be very sharp and be very quick at reacting. So as soon as the data comes out, you have to be very sharp and either buy or sell according to the data. So for this recent example, I'm just putting onto the economic calendar here. So this is the data here, the non-farm employment change. The numbers that you want to look for are the forecast number, which is the middle here. So this is what the economists are expecting. Don't worry too much about the previous. Focus on the forecast number and the number that's going to come out. Okay, so here the economists were forecasting that 207,000 jobs were going to be created into the economy. Anything a bigger than expected number should mean that the US dollar should get stronger, and a lower number will mean that the US dollar will get weaker. So for this example, on the Friday 6th of April, the number was forecasted to be 207,000. And as you can see here, the number came out at a very weak 120,000 jobs, so much worse than forecast. This would make us think that the euro against the US dollar should go up, because the US dollar is getting weaker versus the euro. And this was the case. As you can see here, what you could have done as soon as that piece of data came out, if you were very quick, then you would have bought the euro versus the US dollar as soon as you heard that 120,000 number came out, which was much worse than forecast. And as you can see, if you'd have bought right at the start of the candle, the price here was $1.3054. And as you can see, this is a 15-minute chart here. It went all the way up to 1.3110. So you could have made 60 pips here in 15 minutes. That's how good non-farm payrolls is to be trading. And if you want to make lots of pips in a very short space of time, then this is one of the best ways to trade. But it's all about being very sharp and being very good at reacting to the data. Another tip is maybe just before the data comes out, make sure that you have the order tickets up on the chart here, and you can be quickly ready to. You can have the volume selected, and you can quickly click buy as soon as you hear that weak data will come out, and vice versa. If it was a very good number, then sell the Euro USD. Okay, hope you found this video very useful. See you on the next video. Thanks.